Welcome back, guys, to part 2 of the cargo management system. And as you can see, we're still in Roo Studios. I've placed a new building in here, and it's our warehouse, to show you how to put together the cargo management system. And I'll extend this a little bit more, extend it a little bit more as I go through these tutorials, so you can understand and see the potential of what this can do. So let's stop yabbing on and get cracking, shall we? Okay, so here we are inside of our warehouse, big empty space, and the first thing we're going to put down is the cargo manager. Now, just to lay it out a little bit, you need to have a little bit of a think about where you need to put things. So on this wall here, I'm going to place all of the chests, so all the chests that we're going to use to sort stuff out. And over this side, I'm going to place all of the machines, for base machines, that I'll place in, and I'll do another tutorial for you to show you how we can set them up and how we link everything together. Beneath Roo Studios is the power station that we built a while back, and I'm lagging a little bit. There we go. And I'll link up one of those, and I'll show you how we do that in a later video tutorial as well. So at the moment, I'm going to put the cargo manager right against this wall, right in the center, so right there. Okay, so that's our cargo management system. That's the very first block we need to place down. Okay, now I'll keep everything above ground at this stage, and I'll show you later on. I'll show you how we can dress it up and make things look pretty. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put down a cargo node. Now a cargo node can be no more than 6 blocks away from any other node. So if I was to go 6 blocks away from here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if I right click on this block, notice in the bottom corner you have a connected and 7 connected and 2 tick. That's the color coding thing. I don't think it's working, but notice there's a tick there. Alright, that tells you that it's connected to your cargo manager. Now if I was to move that one further away to here, and I go and right click it, notice it's now across, which means it's not connected and it won't work. So you have a maximum range of 6 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 has to go into this spot here. Alright, that's the maximum distance you can be away. Now if I can go 6 blocks away from this point now, as long as it's 6 blocks, it'll still be connected. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I right click it, okay, it's still in the bottom corner in the chat. It says it's got a tick there, so it means it's connected. Okay, which is good. Now if I was to go one more again and connect it, right, it comes up as a cross. Okay, so you have to be no more than 6 blocks. Less than 6 blocks, it's all good. The other thing you have to be aware of is it can only be in a straight X and Y axis. You can't place it diagonally across. If I place one there and try and tick it, no, it's got a cross, it won't work. So it has to be in straight square lines. Okay, so that's how your connections work. So your connection from there over to this point here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is all good. And you can keep doing that for as long as you like, providing you're only 6 blocks away, and you can go anywhere you like in the area and it will all be connected. So I won't go too much further. We can do another one over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just for the purpose of the exercise. Okay, and that network will continue to go ad infinitum, as far as you want to take it. Alright, so the next thing we're going to go on with this is we're going to put down the input nodes and the output nodes. So let me just go and get a chest, and we'll place a chest there, and we'll place a chest over on this side, and I'll take you through, actually not there, no, it needs to be in front of it, there and there. The reason why is the input and output nodes still have to be in line with the cargo nodes. So over on this side, we'll plonk, hold your shift key down, we'll plonk a input node, notice the blue square, which means the input node goes into the cargo management system, and on the output node we'll put, at first we'll put the standard output node in there. So when I click it, it's just a channel, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'll place another chest here with the advanced cargo node in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is in here, notice when we check it, it's whitelisted, okay, which means whatever we put in here will allow things to go through. So let me grab some stack of, we won't use trees, there's a bit of a trick with trees. Yeah, cobblestone, we'll grab a stack of cobblestone. So when I put cobblestone in here, alright, it won't go anywhere. Notice it doesn't stay there. There's nothing going anywhere. The reason it's not going anywhere is because we don't have a piece of cobblestone in this area here. Okay, so let's go put a piece of cobblestone in this piece, in that chest. In there. Okay, and let's see what happens. We open it up. Disappears. Where does it disappear to, we wonder? So let's have a look. Why did it go that way? So let's have a look in this chest. No, not in there. Let's have a look in this chest. There it is over here. So why did it go over there? Okay, so we have whitelisted in there on the white channel, and over on this side we had just the white channel. So what it's saying here is that I'm allowing this block here is saying I'm allowing cobblestone into the cargo management system on the white channel. Okay, that's it, on the white channel. This one over here is saying I will accept any block that goes into this, comes from the cargo management system, that is on the white channel. If I were to change that to the orange channel, for example, and do it again, and close it, notice it doesn't move, there's nothing there. However, if I was to change this to the orange channel, alright, and open it, gone, and it's over here. Okay, really good. So that's your channel, so it'll operate on different channels. Now, if I was to bring this back to, actually let's just change this, if I was to bring this back to the white channel, like that, and I was to place these cobblestone, back in here, alright, notice they don't move anywhere, don't move, and I was to come into the advanced cargo node here, right, and I was to place, being on a white list, if I was to place a piece of cobblestone in there, notice it's whitelisted on the white channel, and I was to place cobblestone in there like that, okay, that would allow all the pieces into this channel. Okay, so now it went from there, that was on the orange channel, so it said I can't go there, I'm going to go to this chest here because it matches the criteria in the output node. Okay, like that. So that's how the system actually works. Pure and simple. It's pretty basic. It's pretty straightforward. I will leave it at that. If you have any questions, put them in the gibbles below. I'll try and answer them for you and expand on this. The cargo nodes can go up as well, so you can go high, 6 high. So you can count up 6 blocks and go all the way to the top, and keep going up as well as down and around. So all the X, Y, Z axes you can go, but it has to be in a straight line. Okay, that's it. Hope you got something out of this tutorial on how it all works. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on part 3 of the tutorial. Bye for now.